Here's the app Barry's International. So this is the app for Barry's Bootcamp, but in case you're not using it in US but around the world, it can be UK, Denmark, some other European country, Dubai, whatever you're using it. And this is like, where they have this network and where you can book workouts in this app. As you can see, this app just has quite low rating. It's working. I'm using it. However, there are quite few bugs here and there. So the idea here is that you just go to the app. So this is iPhone app, and then you just select your location. Like you need to select your studio where you're going. Again, it's important to select from a range of countries, range of different studios, and then you just select, and in top left you see, okay, currently I'm in this location. I don't know whether Barry's offers this program where you just subscribe, and for example, if you travel and you can be 1 week in one studio, in one country, 1 week, another week in another country, can you just in this app just instantly change studios? I have no idea about that. But here you just have 3 buttons. Just buy, you can easily buy just classes and series. There are different packages. So yeah, here you just have, like, it just depends on your locations. There can be different packages and deals and all of that, and then you just buy all the different memberships and all of that, just depending. And then you can also get a gift card here and all of that. So yeah, then you can just reserve. Basically what you're doing here, you can just go and reserve the class. So you can just select like your day and then select your trainer and then just book a class. Like booking, you need to book every class and kind of enroll in each class, which is a bit, it takes time, maybe it takes some time. It's kind of like a booking seat on airplane, and if there are free seats, you can still book it. If there are no free seats. For some popular classes, you need to do it well in advance, like at least 1-2 days before the class. For example, on Monday class, or like, just depending. Tuesday, a lot of people like to start their new week, new day from Monday workout. So those classes can be really booked, especially like 5 p.m., like 6 p.m. classes. It's all different schedule in different studios across different towns. And then you just see your classes, the classes you signed up to. The thing I'm talking about this app is that you need to constantly to reload it, as that I just swiped up, because it's a bit buggy and it just takes some time to load. And then basically, again, the idea is that you just select your location. So you see here, there is United Kingdom, Canada, Norway, Sweden, Arab Emirates, Qatar, Italy, France, Denmark, Germany, Spain, Mexico. So these are kind of all international locations outside of US, where you use like a normal Barry's Bootcamp app. And then you just select, for example, Denmark, which cities are available. And then you can just select the details and book your class. You can filter by instructor, filter by class, and then just go through the different dates and then just go and then book the specific class. So then again, here you can just buy series, and then you can just see your classes. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then yeah, here you just see all the first time recommendations, what you need to do. Some instructors, overview of instructors, and that's basically the idea. So yeah, I hope you get the idea how it works. It can be a bit overwhelming in the first time, and also if you go into the first class, it can be a bit complicated, but don't worry, instructors will show you around. It's a nice workout, just depends if you like running, and if you like, a lot of this like active workout. It's kind of fun and fun. Just in the community with people. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's just, it's like music and just community of people. It's a nice addition if you're going to the gym. It's also sometimes nice to go to Barry's Bootcamp. Some people go to Barry's Bootcamp literally every day. There are like these fanatics. Some people doing like 2 workouts per day, in the morning, in the evening, or 2 workouts in a row. Then there are like, just a few words. If you're a beginner, So basically, the workout itself is just you just go to a room, and there is like a treadmill, and there are just like floor where you just do your regular fitness exercises. So you can either start with treadmill, you can start with floor, but there is also an option where you can do a double floor, meaning you can only work out in that double floor just 2 sessions. So and then usually how the workout structure looks like: you run 10 minutes, you do workouts on the floor for another 10 minutes, then again you run 10 minutes, then you do another workout 10 minutes on the floor overall, and then your like active fitness is around like 45 minutes, 40 minutes, and the whole workout is around 60 minutes, 1 hour. And then you need to go from treadmill to floors, and there are some relaxing like transitions and all of that. So, and then after the active workout, then there is a final stretch or something like that. So overall it takes around like 60 minutes. So, but actively you work in maybe like 40 minutes out of those. So for some, like, like professional athletes, that's not enough at all, but just to warm up and keep yourself in shape, just going a few times per week, that's kind of fun, and it's just like nice community. That's the cool part about Baris. I didn't go in other countries, only in Denmark, but just like sharing my experience. So yeah, that's what you have. Try it out, and if you have any questions or some experience, any other additional queries, just leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer.